Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to use ClickUp for your new hire onboarding. So here I am in my ClickUp workspace, and then from here you can create your own system where you can create a process for your new hire onboarding for your company or for your team. So for example, in how to do that, you can create a new space and we can name this onboarding, click continue, and then let's say project management, create space, and then you have your onboarding space right here, and then you can create all of your tasks right here or all of your information. So for example, for your onboarding, let's put tasks right here, like task 1, introduce yourself, task 2, discuss your expectations, and so on and so forth. So you can create your own process right here, and then you can create a document, for example, and then you can say right here like onboarding summary. Then you can insert instructions right here and so on and so forth. So you can do that manually, but that will take some time. And another way that you can do it is that you can use templates right here in ClickUp. So to do that, just click the plus button right here and then click use templates. So from here, you can search different templates right here for onboarding. So just type onboarding, and then you can use a template for a workspace, a template for a document, and so on and so forth. So for example, I want to have like a template for my workspace. So let's click space right here, and then we have employee onboarding. So from here, you can just click this template and then click use template. You can insert a name right here. So I'll say, for example, new hire onboarding. Then you can choose if you want to import specific things, but I will just import everything. And then I will just use the default settings right here and click use template. So from here, it is still creating the employee onboarding space. So we'll just wait for this to finish. And then now we have our new hire onboarding space right here. And then this is a efficient way to create your own new hire onboarding process or system so that you don't need to start from scratch. And then you can say right here the employee name and then the onboarding program. You have your specific tasks right here are according to the weeks, and then you have a guide right here for your new hires. So you can insert the introduction, the role descriptions, and so on and so forth. And then if you want some more information about this template, so you can see this document right here, and then it has some different information that you can use. So that is it. So just go ahead and explore the different features right here in ClickUp so that you can create your own new hire onboarding system. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.